Waking up every morning and feeling your joints creak, grind, or lock for a few seconds before you can move. For millions of seniors, that's how every single day begins. The stiffness, the ache, the loss of motion. It slowly steals away energy, independence, and confidence. But here's something most people don't realize. You don't have to accept that pain as your destiny. You can rebuild your joints. You can strengthen your bones. You can regain vitality, no matter your age. Science now shows that the body never truly stops healing. It just needs the right fuel, movement, and care. So today, let's explore exactly how you can make your joints stronger, your bones denser, and your life more active again. Understanding why joints and bones weaken. Let's start with what actually happens inside the body. Our joints are the hinges of movement. Where two bones meet, wrapped in cartilage, cushioned by fluid, and protected by ligaments and muscles. With age, that smooth cartilage can thin. The fluid can dry out. The supporting muscles weaken, and bones lose their density. That's why you might hear crackling when you walk, or feel pain when you climb stairs. It's not just old age. It's a combination of inflammation, nutrient loss, and mechanical wear that can be slowed and even reversed with the right habits. Scientists now call this the modifiable phase, meaning your lifestyle can still change how strong or weak your joints and bones become. The power of nutrition. Let's talk about food, because every joint and bone in your body is made of what you eat. The first rule of strong joints and bones is simple. Feed them what they need. Let's start with calcium, the mineral that gives your bones their structure. But calcium doesn't work alone. It needs vitamin D to be absorbed. That's why research shows seniors who take both calcium and vitamin D, either from food or supplements, can slow bone loss and reduce fracture risk. Foods rich in calcium include dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese, but also leafy greens such as kale and broccoli, fortified soy milk, and almonds. Now, let's move to vitamin D, your body's sunshine vitamin. After age 50, our skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D. Try to get 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight daily, and if your doctor recommends, take a supplement. Usually 800 to 1000 IU per day for most adults over 65. Then comes protein. Protein isn't just for muscles. It helps repair cartilage, tendons, and connective tissue. Without enough protein, your body can't rebuild the tissues that cushion your joints. Aim for 20 to 25 grams per meal, from sources like fish, eggs, lentils, chicken, or beans. And let's not forget omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fatty fish like salmon or walnuts, omega-3s calm inflammation in the joints. Studies show they can lower pain and stiffness in people with arthritis by reducing inflammatory cytokines. Lastly, add color to your plate. Fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants like berries, spinach, and turmeric reduce oxidative stress that breaks down cartilage. The famous Mediterranean diet, rich in olive oil, greens, and fish, has been shown in clinical research to improve pain, stiffness, and joint function in people with osteoarthritis. That's proof that your plate can be your first medicine. Movement is medicine. Now let's talk about the second key, movement. You might think moving painful joints makes them worse, but science shows the opposite. The right kind of movement heals them. Joints love motion. When you move, the cartilage is nourished by the joint fluid, like oil lubricating an engine. When you stop moving, that lubrication decreases, stiffness increases, and pain worsens. So, what kind of movement works best for seniors? First, strength training, even light resistance, helps rebuild muscle that supports your joints. Studies show that seniors who do 2 to 3 sessions per week increase muscle strength and reduce joint pain by up to 43%. Start with resistance bands or light weights. Focus on large muscle groups, your legs, hips, back, and core. Second, low-impact cardio, such as walking, swimming, or cycling, keeps the heart healthy and joints flexible without overloading them. Even 30 minutes of brisk walking daily can improve joint lubrication and reduce inflammation. Third, balance and mobility exercises. Yoga, Tai Chi, or simple stretching reduce stiffness and prevent falls. These movements improve your posture and coordination, which protect your knees, hips, and spine. One golden rule: motion is lotion. Every time you move, you're feeding your joints. Every time you stay still for hours, your joints dry up and stiffen. Start small. Even 10 minutes a day is enough. With consistency, you'll notice less pain, better posture, and more energy. Vitamins, minerals, and natural remedies. Next, let's talk about supplements and natural remedies, because they can support your progress. If you're over 60, it's smart to get your vitamin D levels checked. If low, a daily supplement can improve bone density and reduce joint pain over time. Calcium is important, but taking it in very high doses doesn't make bones stronger. Balance is key. Around 1,000 mg per day for men and 1,200 mg for women. Over 50 is enough, preferably from food first. You might have heard of glucosamine and chondroitin. These compounds are part of your natural cartilage structure. Studies show mixed results, but some people, especially those with knee arthritis, do feel reduced pain and stiffness after consistent use for 3 months. Turmeric, or curcumin, is another powerful anti-inflammatory. Clinical trials show curcumin can reduce knee pain as effectively as ibuprofen for mild osteoarthritis, without damaging the stomach. Other helpful nutrients include magnesium, vitamin K, and collagen peptides, all involved in bone and cartilage repair. Magnesium helps muscles relax. Collagen supports the connective tissue matrix. But remember, supplements are assistants, not replacements. They work best when combined with exercise, good sleep, and balanced nutrition. Natural healing and home practices. There are simple, natural remedies that can bring relief right from home. Try alternating heat and cold. Warm compresses relax stiff joints, while cold packs reduce inflammation and swelling. Gentle massage improves circulation, reduces stiffness, and helps joint fluid move better. If you can, take a warm bath with Epsom salt. It relaxes muscles and eases tension. If your knees or hips ache after activity, elevate them slightly and apply an ice pack for 10 to 15 minutes. Stay hydrated. Joint cartilage is nearly 70% water. Dehydration makes joints feel tight and painful. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Sleep deeply. Your body repairs cartilage and bone tissue while you sleep. Poor sleep increases inflammatory hormones, making pain worse. Bone density and strength. Your bones are living tissue. They respond to how you treat them. Every step you take, every gentle push or squat tells your bones to stay strong. This is called mechanical loading, and it's one of the most powerful ways to prevent bone loss. Even short bursts of resistance, like climbing stairs or using light weights, trigger your bones to deposit more calcium and strengthen their structure. Pair that with good nutrition, and you have a powerful formula against osteoporosis. Remember, fragile bones don't have to be a permanent condition. With consistent strength work, you can increase bone density, even in your 70s. Mind-body connection. Joint and bone pain aren't just physical. They affect your mind too. Chronic pain can lead to frustration, anxiety, and even depression. That's why gentle mind-body practices like yoga, meditation, or breathing exercises matter. They calm the nervous system, reduce muscle tension, and lower the perception of pain. Research shows that seniors who practice mindfulness-based relaxation or yoga report less joint pain and greater mobility within 8 to 12 weeks. It's proof that healing starts both in the body and in the mind. Myths versus facts. Let's clear up a few common myths about joint and bone health. Myth 1. Pain means you should stop moving. Fact. Gentle, controlled movement actually heals joints by improving lubrication and muscle support. Myth 2. Supplements can replace diet. Fact. Real food provides not just nutrients but antioxidants, fiber, and plant compounds that no pill can replicate. Myth 3. It's too late to improve. Fact, studies show even people in their 70s and 80s can increase strength, flexibility, and bone density with just 3 months of consistent exercise. So remember, it's never too late to begin. Daily routine for strong joints and bones. Here's a simple daily routine you can follow starting today. Morning, 10 minutes of stretching or light yoga. Breakfast, oatmeal with almonds, berries, and milk, rich in calcium, antioxidants, and protein. Midday, 30 minutes of walking or gentle cycling. Lunch, grilled fish or lentils with vegetables and olive oil, omega-3s and antioxidants. Afternoon, 10 minutes of resistance exercise with a band or light weights. Evening, herbal tea with turmeric or ginger. Before bed, warm bath or gentle massage for relaxation. Small daily habits create big changes. That's the secret of lifelong joint and bone strength. Closing and motivation. Let's end with a message of hope. Your body is not broken. It's waiting for you to take care of it. Even if you've lived decades with stiffness or pain, the science is clear. You can build new strength, form new cartilage, and move more freely again. Start small. 1 meal, 1 stretch, 1 walk at a time. Over weeks, the pain lessens, your confidence grows, and your energy returns. Age is a number, not a limit. The best time to begin healing your joints and bones is now. If you found this helpful, like and share it with others who need hope. And remember, you can still walk stronger, stand taller, and live freer. Because inside you, strength never truly fades. It just needs to be awakened again.